First thing we want to do is remove our oil fill cap. It's going to help the crankcase vent properly when draining our engine oil. After that, using a 12mm socket, we'll remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now is a good chance to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you'll want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Now we'll just reinstall the drain bolt and torque this to 22 foot-pounds. Now we're going to use a 65mm oil filter wrench and remove the oil filter. Before we install the new filter, we want to apply a thin coat of oil on the gasket to the oil filter. That's going to help removing it on our next service a lot easier. And we simply thread it in place and torque this to 20 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Honda recommends that this unit hold 3.5 quarts of 10W30 motorcycle oil. But make sure it's motorcycle oil, because if you use an automotive grade oil, it has different additives that'll cause your clutches to slip. So make sure it's a motorcycle grade engine oil. Now we'll reinstall our oil fill cap. Now we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. After it's done that, we'll shut the engine off and let it sit for a few moments. That's going to help us achieve an accurate oil level reading. Now, looking at the sight glass on the right side of the motorcycle, we want our oil level to be in the middle to upper portion in the sight window. And this looks perfect, so let's hit the road, guys.